Hey guys, coming to you live from the cab of the deputy dog here. Wait a minute. That's not a deputy dog. Oh yeah. So I picked up a cab. Found on Facebook Marketplace and some other parts. The cab's not in that much better shape than the one that's on my truck now, so I'm not planning on swapping it, but there's, I'll spin the camera around. But this one is, might be able to scrounge some parts off of it, I'm for sure. Mine's missing the actual Mack mirrors, and these are the heated ones, so I'm probably going to swap those for sure. I may end up swapping the entire doors because I got some handles and stuff that are jacked up or missing on mine. So I might end up just swapping the entire doors. The doors are complete. I got mine are missing a bunch of stuff. And then this is the cab. Bought this from a farm. The frame rotted out, so they just ended up parting it out. Picked up this whole cab for I think $200, so hopefully I can save some stuff out of here. There's all the switches in the dash and all those components. Odometer shows like 600,000 miles on it, so it was fairly young Mack in terms of Mack dog years. And then in addition to that, I also picked up, I got two axles that the guy threw in. I picked up both of these axles for $100. This is a hub pilot axle, or excuse me, that's a stud pilot axle off of a, or no, that's a stud pilot axle off of that same R model. And then I got another one that's a hub pilot off of a CH Mack. So what I might end up doing is taking one of these axles and swapping it out on my truck so that I can have either hub pilot or stud pilot rims on there, so I could put aluminum rims on the front. I also picked up an aluminum step toolbox that I'm probably going to mount right here that was used. That's in front in the garage. It's like a step and then the top of it opens up. It's a toolbox. And then I got this grill off of that same truck that's complete, so I can replace that because this part's missing and that really bugs me. I need to buy a new bumper. I was hoping I would find that, but the one off of that truck was rusted and bent, so it wasn't really worth saving. I'll probably just end up buying a new one. So yeah, that's what I got. So far, I got that cab, I got two axles. Hopefully gonna get some time to start working on this thing soon. And if you've got any advice or to point me in the right direction, I'm glad to hear it. So until next time, stay American.